Good morning. Let's talk of skin value and disease control. How do we control diseases? Through our skin, maintaining the skin stability and stature. Then we'll be talking of the pH. We'll start by the pH and the effect on the skin value. pH is a short term for the Latin term potential hydrogenae and translates to hydrogen ion concentration. pH value allows us to differentiate acids and bases from each other and label them according to the strength. Anything that contains water also has a pH value, which can be determined using an electronic pH meter or an indicator such as a litmus paper. Skins and its pH. The skin pH. Our skin have a pH of 5.5. Our skin can be assigned a pH value 2 because the hydrophilic film on the skin's surface contains water. The skin is slightly acidic. Modern measuring techniques produce an average pH value of 5.5, which is due to the natural acidic substances in the sweat, sebum and honey cells. Sebum is just an oil secretion of a sebaceous gland. The uses or the job of the pH, the acidic pH 5.5. 1. To repair harmful microorganisms and negative environmental influences, and in doing so protect the skin from infections, irritations, allergies. Drying and intact acid mantle also functions as a natural deodorant because it minimizes the bacterial breakdown of sweat, which causes body odor. Body odor, just a natural substance from the body, form the acidic mantle which protects our skin from environmental influences. It is vital that you do not do anything that could damage your acid mantle. Skin microbiome. All the organisms that are located on our skin are called microbiome. They include bacteria, fungi, and mites. They live on the surface of the skin between dead cells in the stratonum corneum, in the sweat and sebaceous gland, and in the hair follicles. They feed on proteins, fats, and sugar components from the dead skin cells and lipid in the spaces, as well as on sebum and sweat that are more or less abundant depending on the region. The skin microbiome is important for our health. It is not a matter of having only good skin microbiome, microbes, and no bad skin microbes. What is important is the correct balance of the different microorganisms. Any attempt to permanently remove all microorganisms from the skin with intensive and repeated disinfection is counterproductive. Factors that influence your skin microbiome. Everything is interconnected. Genetics, gender, age, general health, hormonal status, nutrition and lifestyle are factors that are just as important as climate, pollution, water quality, and sunlight. They can have a positive or negative effect on the natural protective functions of the skin, especially the barrier function against drying out and harmful environmental factors. Our microscopic cohabitants also react to changes in their conditions. Too many or too intensive changes destroy the balance of ecosystem, which in turn impairs the skin protective functions and jeopardize skin health. Stabilizing skin's protective layer and skin microbiome makes the skin more resistant to internal and external influences. The goal of the medical skin care, the Helt Plus, is to strengthen the skin, to strengthen and support skin health and microbiome balance by supplying barrier function. Take notes. The goal of the medical skin care with Helt Plus is to strengthen and support skin health and microbiome balance and by supplying the barrier function. The natural protective skin barrier, the pH of 5.5, and the skin microbiome. A healthy balance of the skin microbiome requires inter-skin structures, normal skin functions, and rapid repair of minor damage, disruptions with the regeneration process. If the skin has sufficient but not excessive fat and moisture and a strong protective barrier, the skin has a large variety of microflora in a stable balance. The slight acidic or pH or healthy skin has two functions. One, it maintains the barrier function. Two, promotes microbiome balance. The skin care with pH of 5.5, that's the Helt Plus, has been proven to support the skin protective layer and this barrier function and help maintain the ecological balance of the skin. So that's why we present it before you, so that it can serve you better on your skin. A product of Deo-gratia Healthcare Limited. Thanks so much.